Hello my friends! I'm Harry and welcome to Characters Factory. Last year for Christmas season I recreated the Snow Queen on a doll, but this year Christmas season I prepared 3 videos inspired by the all-time classic story of Charles Dickens, A Christmas Carol. I remake the spirit from the past and present, and I want to remake the spirit of Christmas yet to come. I imagine the spirit of Christmas yet to come as the memorable Frances Conroy as the Angel of Death at the American Horror Story at Season 2. But not so similar, I imagine her younger and blonde, so I'm gonna use Apple White from Ever After High. I removed her factory paint and I changed her hands with these black hands. She wore Raven's black stocking, and I didn't change her shoes. I kept this one she wore from beginning. I will use Avia's Trotter wings and her shirt. And now I mark with a black marker 2 signs to help me know where I have to make holes for her new wings. Now I paint black Avia's Trotter shirt with the same black marker. And believe me, that's the best method to dye something black, not with acrylic, not with something else, but with an undyeable marker. And now I use this Frankenstein dress to make a pencil skirt. First, I cut with a scissor the part that I don't want. And now I paint it black with the same method. I paint her wings black off camera, and now I will use this black feather. I glue with hot glue feathers in Avia's Trotter wings, and I will keep gluing feathers even I have a beautiful result. Let's start designing the face. I sprayed her face with Mr.Super Clear and I left it dry for 30 minutes, and then I started. I put some hot glue in her holes, at her back, and I put the wings in it. I add some gold details at her jacket. And some more at her wings. And she's ready.
Oh, where am I? Spirit of present? Spirit of present? Where are you? What is this place?
Hello, Snow Queen. I'm the spirit of Christmas yet to come. I'm the last of the three spirits. There is no way, my queen, to predict your future, because you destroyed it with your actions at the past.
And what can I do now?
Now, nothing. You didn't learn from the past, you don't live the present, and you don't believe in the future, because you don't care. Now look what you've done. I hope you like my story, guys. If you didn't watch my last videos with Christmas spirits of the past and present, go and watch them now. I try hard to prepare for you all the Christmas spirits. So if you like my work, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you all again and take care, my friends. Bye bye.